Okay, our fifth wheel has sat here all summer and all year, as a matter of fact. Because of COVID, we had to cancel a couple of vacations, and it's going to sit here all through the winter. So I decided I better try to run the air conditioning units. Now in the middle is, you can't see it from here, but there's a 15,000 BTU unit. It's running now with a new Predator 3500 generator, and I'll take you over and show you how many watts it's drawing. This is a 13,500 unit, so we'll take a look at how many watts we're pulling with the 15,000 BTU and then kind of compare it with the 13.5 BTU. Okay, it was 72 degrees in here. It's only like 76 to 78 outside. It's the last week in September, and I went ahead and set it on 68, and it cooled it right down in just a matter of maybe 15 or 20 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and ice her down a couple more and get the compressor to kick on. I hope it shows. I can't see in my viewfinder we're at 66. Okay, there goes the compressor. Now we'll go outside and check the watts. I went with the smaller cord, much easier to handle than that 50 amp. It is a 25 footer. Just got it on Amazon. Pretty nice cord, but it's a 30 amp cord. Okay, we're looking at 122 volts, 12.1 amps. Remember, the compressor's engaged. 1476 to 1488. Okay, we're going to bump it up. We'll turn the compressor off of the 15,000 BTU. Figure out what I'm doing. Should show 71, cool low. There, she just kicked off. We'll go check the readings now with the 15K BTU AC on, and it's just blowing air right now. This is the one mounted in the center of the 15K unit. 123 volts. And this is just the fan running on a 15K unit. 3.1 amps. Big difference. 381 watts. Okay, now we'll go to the 13.5 unit. Just on a side note here, with the compressor on, I've had it on the eco throttle. I've had it off, run wide open, but with just the fan on and drawing 3.2, 3.1 amps, 380 watts, eco mode would be advisable. Watch this. Slows down pretty good. Get a lot better fuel economy that way, and all you're running is a fan. Okay, the only thing running right now is the battery charger. I checked it, we got 13.7 amps going to the battery, the 12 volt battery in the front. 123 volts, 1.3 amps, 159 watts. If there's anything else on, I'm not aware of what it is. So let's go in and turn on the 13.5 BTU AC. Okay, this is the little 13.5 unit. Sits right on top of the bed, basically. I'm not particularly fond of it because when you do turn it on, it's loud. And here's our settings. That's low fan. Low fan, low fan. I don't know why I have two low fans. Let's go to low fan. We'll go out and check the draw on it. Then we'll come in and turn on the AC. By the way, this is a 3151 FWRLS, basically a 35 footer. 123 volts, 3.9 amps, 4 amps. That would include the battery charger running though. 479 watts. Okay, we'll go in and turn on the AC. Okay, we'll go check the draw. We'll turn eco mode off. Shouldn't make any difference. .22 volts. 10.3 amps. That seems pretty proportional to me. compared to the 15K unit. 1268 watts. Not much less. Flash 1300. Seems like it fluctuates about 25 watts. We'll call it 1300 on the 13.5 unit. Now, one thing to think about, this Predator 3500 was bought at Harbor Freight in September of 2020. And in the owner's manual, they recommend not to exceed 75% load for the first 30 hours of operation. And those numbers work out to be 2,250 watts or 18.75 amps. So I'm going to follow that to a T. And on the oil changes, I'm going to change oil after I run it here, which be maybe another 2 or 3 hours on it. I think it's going to be my 4th oil change in around hour number 8 or 9, something like that. But I'm kind of overkill on that kind of stuff. Your mileage may vary. Hey, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask them in the comment section. I'll answer them. Hey, thanks for watching. Stay safe. Have a good one.